Guys, good morning. Taking a look here at the markets on the 5th of November. Aerodrome Finance US dollar pair. Coinbase is the price data here. TradingView is the chart, currently up 1.41%. Yesterday we had two very nasty down days, at least for the bulls, good for the bears. Yesterday closed down 10%. The previous day, which would have been Monday, closed down 11%. So that is a pretty nasty price action. A couple things that look positive here, whether it be short term or not, only time will tell us that. Market came in, looked like it found support at this previous low from the 22nd of October, 74. We hit a low yesterday of 74. Looks like we actually undercut that slightly, but looks like we bounced here. Off to a decent start here. I mean, that was a pretty nasty 2 days. Very oversold. Again, might be short term. We have a nice start to today. 4:15 in the morning. Been trading for a couple hours here. We have a market high or low here. We do have a lower high, but we have a higher low. Maybe the selling is going to just at least take a pause for a day or so. Things I'll be watching here, I'll be watching this 73-cent level. I'll be watching this low here from the 17th, which is 69. So this downward move here, again, very aggressive. You know, a bounce up to the 200 days around 88 range, I think is very possible. We do have a couple levels above the market as resistance. Those are... We're just below one of them, so we have one at 83, 84, and 87. So 83 is yellow, 84 is in pink, 87 is in yellow. The 200-day, again, is up here at 88. This range right here, I think, very possible we get a bounce up to there. Now, whether it can breach through that and put a bottom in, again, guys, time will tell. This sell-off here could lead to a very large run to the upside. I don't think that'll happen. That's just my opinion. Bitcoin is not looking good right now. Bitcoin is in bearish territory. Aerodrome is right on the verge of bearish territory. Basically, our last line in the sand here is between 73 and like 70 cents. If we start to break that, flip that into resistance, you know, I think it's over for the bulls, at least for now. You know, hopefully things change, but again, you know, I'm not pulling the strings here, guys. I'm just reading the chart. If we do roll up here, put in a higher low, and then rally again, which is what took place here, lower low, lower high, higher low, heads up for the bears. Bulls are about to take over. Massive, massive bull run there, you know, albeit short term. Then we could start to talk about much higher prices, but we need to see the market do something a little bit more bullish. Right now, it's breaking down. It's in a neutral territory, and it's favoring the bears right now. Again, we'll see what happens. We're going to keep an eye on this. It could do something similar to what we saw back here in the end of October, which would have been lower high, higher low, and then we start to rally again, maybe back up to the, basically call it a dollar range. But if we start to take out this 73 to 70 cent zone, we'll probably back test it, and then the market will continue to fade, especially if Bitcoin's about to sell off aggressively. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. Speaking of that, Bitcoin broke some very important lows yesterday. Basically like the 103 level. Not good for the bulls. Resistance at the 200. It's looking like this large topping pattern, you know, has broken to the downside. Not saying this won't lead to a rally, but the bulls the bears are in control at the moment. Major lower high here, higher low, lower high, boom. But sometimes these moves here can be a shakeout, which can lead to a rally. So we'll see, guys. Fear and greed's at 20. A lot of fear in the markets, obviously, after we sold off yesterday. All right, guys, you have a great day. The bears are in control right now, at least for Bitcoin. Aerodrome's on the verge of having the bears in control. It's in more of a neutral zone, at least in my opinion. Of course, not financial advice. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Any questions, drop them down below. You guys have a great Wednesday.